Good morning. The law of interpretation was uh, encouraged by Supreme Court. Initially, they have started interpreting the equality, Sambagam Durarajan case, wherein a Brahmin was denied a medical seat, approached the Supreme Court. That resulted a First Amendment. Then the question of estate, so many judgments, finally reached Kesavananda Bharati case. Then the minimum wages has been extended to living wages in Asiad case. Then they have started slowly. Right to live was extended. Air pollution, so many pollutions, water, drinking water, for lot health. Then right to education. That was a right to live with right to dignity is clubbed with right to education. Then workmen, all are the workmen, that was also periodically interpreted, extended. Recently, the Supreme Court is concentrating on consumer, how to bring the aggrieved persons to approach consumer where you need not pay court fee. That is being interpreted time and again. And recently, this week, the Supreme Court seems to have referred the matter whether educational institution would be brought under consumer redressal forum and Consumer Protections Act. Now, this judgment would enlighten you if you go through the entirety of the judgment for the purpose of law of interpretation, purposive interpretation, and then for the purpose of extending the remedy. If the consumer forum, lower authority, reject your application, then you can fight for claiming your right. See, this is the case AR 2020 Supreme Court 2596, Joint Labour Commission and Registering Office and another versus Kesarla. This is the case. The worker who is registered under Building and Other Construction Worker Regulation of Employment and Condition of Services Act 1996 and beneficiary rules framed. They say that the worker is consumer within the meaning of section 2D of the Consumer Protection Act 1996. Then they have discussed about the purpose of building construction worker. If you go through that area also, you can equip with yourself how you can extend the rights, facilities, even loan facilities for this construction worker. Here is the case. He sought for a loan for financial assistance on occasion of his daughter, and that was rejected by the Joint Commissioner of Labour. Then they went on appeal. Appeal also not properly disposed. Then they went to Consumer Redressal Forum. Consumer Redressal Forum dismissed stating that it is not consumer, therefore it is not within the purview of Consumer Protection Act. Then the State Consumer Redressal Forum set aside it and directed to pay amount of 51,000, together with 10,000 compensation. Then the National Commission, however, agreed with the State Consumer Forum, but interest was reduced. So then that resulted a SLP. Here, several cases were discussed about how the other areas where Consumer Protection Act was not being extended were brought under this Consumer Protection Act. Even beneficiary is also consumer. That was the ratio of this case. So you should concentrate on every paragraph of this judgment for the purpose of understanding the how construction workers are entitled for benefits, and also how the Supreme Court is time and again bringing the various authorities within the purview of the Consumer Protection Act. Symbolic justice. There is nothing more to offer several millions of construction workers in the organized sector, not social justice, not economic justice. Then therefore they say that then they under section paragraph 2 they have discussed about what is consumer. That was extended. Kindly go through. Any system deferred payment includes any beneficiary of such service other than the person who hires or avails of the service. So that was there. Then they say the definition is not exhaustive. That means you have to extensively interpret and bring other beneficiaries or the persons litigants to within the purview of the section 210 of the Consumer Protection Act. Then finally, even for Bihar School Examination Board, and that was also brought under the finally, as a matter of interpretation, the provisions contained in the consumer product must be construed in a purposive manner. That means purposive construction. Parliament has provided salutary remedy to consumers of both goods and services. Public authorities, such as appellants who have been constituted under an enactment of Parliament, are entrusted with a solemn duty of providing welfare services to registered workers. The workers who are registered with the board made contribution on the basis of which they are entitled to avail of the services provided in terms of schemes. So, public accountability is a significant consideration, underlines the provisions of the Consumer Protection Act. Therefore, the need to ensure sense of public accountability by allowing consumers a redressal in the context of discharge of non-sovereign functions which are not rendered free of charge. So, they succeeded. They have the very fantastic judgment. You must understand, go through it. I am just reading few lines, the circulars, to make you to rush to the entirety of the judgment. Even chess tax state with multifarious functions charges fee and services are rendered on a quid pro quo basis. That was stated at paragraph 5. Paragraph 5 must also be read so that so many other areas which were brought under the consumer protection was discussed there. Therefore, kindly go through the judgment, and the some cases, educational cases were discussed, but now the Supreme Court stepped forward to decide whether the private educational institutions are coming under within the purview of consumer redressal forum, or the students are entitled or may claim that they are also consumers because they are paying fee to write the examination and to intake education. So many things are there. Therefore, the district judge, there is possibility of these questions for purposive interpretation. Right from the beginning, if you are very interested to understand the law of interpretation, you must go through the Kesavananda case, wherein basic structure of constitution has been discussed, and other cases there kindly go through that institutions.